The Arya Samaj, meaning Society of Nobles, is a Hindu reform movement founded by Swami Dayanand Saraswati in 1875 in Bombay, India. It's a dynamic blend of social and religious reform, aiming to purify Hinduism by returning to the Vedas, considered the purest and most authoritative scriptures. Here's a breakdown of the Arya Samaj, covering its founder, principles, reforms, and legacy. Founder Swami Dayanand Saraswati, 1824 to 1883. Early life and quest. Born Mulsankar, Dayanand's early life was marked by a deep quest for truth. Witnessing rituals and idol worship led him to question traditional Hindu practices. He left home in search of a true guru and spent years wandering and studying with various religious teachers. Enlightenment and mission. Dayanand's studies led him to believe that the Vedas were the ultimate source of wisdom and authority. He rejected later Hindu scriptures like the Purans and criticized practices like idol worship, polytheism, and the caste system. Founding the Arya Samaj in 1875, he founded the Arya Samaj in Bombay, codifying his beliefs and practices into 10 fundamental principles. His mission was to revitalize Hinduism by purging it of what he considered to be superstitions and deviation from the Vedic path. Core principles of the Arya Samaj. The Arya Samaj is guided by 10 principles that serve as a framework for its beliefs and practices. First, God is the primary source of all true knowledge. Second, God is one and formless, the all pervading, omniscient, omnipotent, and just creator of the universe. Third, the Vedas are the books of true knowledge and the ultimate authority. Fourth, every individual should strive to accept truth and renounce untruth. Fifth, all actions should be performed according to dharma, righteousness, after considering right and wrong. Sixth, the primary aim of the Arya Samaj is to do good to the world by promoting physical, spiritual, and social well being. Seventh, love, justice, and righteousness should guide our conduct towards all. 8. Ignorance should be dispelled and knowledge increased. Ninth, one should be content with one's own efforts while striving for the welfare of all. 10th, the society should be based on equality and everyone should be given opportunity for advancement. Social and religious reforms. The Arya Samaj has been at the forefront of various social and religious reforms. Rejection of idol worship. The Arya Samaj emphasized the worship of one formless God, monotheism, and rejects idol worship, considering it a later deviation from Vedic teachings. Opposition to the caste system. The Arya Samaj strongly opposed the caste system, advocating for a society based on merit rather than birth. Promotion of women's education. The Arya Samaj has been a strong advocate for women's education, believing that women should have equal opportunities for learning and development. Supports for widow remarriage. The Arya Samaj supports the remarriage of widows, challenging traditional customs that forbade it. Suddhi movement. The Arya Samaj initiated the Suddhi movement, which aimed to reconvert Hindu who had converted to other religions back to Hinduism. Educational initiative. The Arya Samaj has played a significant role in education, establishing numerous schools and colleges across India. The Dayanand Anglo-Vedic DAV schools are a prominent example, providing modern education while instilling Vedic values. Legacy and impact. The Arya Samaj has had a profound impact on Indian society. Hindu reform movement. It has been a major force in the Hindu reforms movement, challenging traditional practices and promoting a more rational and egalitarian approach to religion. Social change. The Arya Samaj's effect in education, women's rights, and caste abolition have contributed significantly to social change in India. Nationalism. The Arya Samaj played a role in the Indian nationalist movement, instilling a sense of pride in Indian culture and heritage. Criticism. The Arya Samaj has also faced criticism, particularly for its Suddhi movement, which has been seen by some as controversial. Conclusion. The Arya Samaj is a dynamic and influential Hindu reforms movement that has left a lasting impact on Indian society. Its emphasis on Vedic principles, social reforms, and education has made it a significant force in the modernization of Hinduism. If you have any question or suggestion, please mention to comment box. See you in the next video. Have a great day.